Make a great choice today with the 2025 Encore GX. The Buick Encore GX provides plenty of space and functionality with its compact SUV body. The Encore GX also provides plenty of safety features and a wide variety of options that you can upgrade to. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.